Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for May 7th, 2017. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off on Friday. We did see some upside, and actually these markets look ready for fresh new all-time highs in the days ahead. The Dow finished higher by 55 points. Nice bounce on its way to these all-time highs, while the S&P 500 finished higher by 9 points and is really very, very close to that 2,400 mark. Already the NASDAQ is up 25 and is at all-time highs, while the Russell managed to gain about 8 points. And this one looks poised to break out of this sideways zone that it's been in for quite some time. Now that we have momentum behind this move, we have a nice slope higher on that 20-period moving average, which acted as support here, successfully retesting it on Friday. I think it traded above Friday's high here, gets us a move back to these highs near term, and I think we should have enough momentum to blow right through there. Bonds were fairly quiet on Friday, up 11 cents. Same with gold, down about $1.70 at the close, but overall a very negative week for gold and crude. Same thing, bouncing on Friday up about 70 cents, but had a terrible week overall. Now the US dollar index did violate a key level on Friday. These lows back in here, this support level right in here, right around the 99 area, blew right through there last week and closed below these lows on Friday. So we should see more downside. But if we go to the higher time frames, the weekly and the monthly, the weekly looks like we're rolling over here. There is some support though, right and around this 97.5, 98 level, and the monthly here, it looks a little clears up the picture a little. We still have some upward support there. So we should see a bounce off or near this 98 level. So this 97.5, 98 level area is a good area to be looking for another long play on the US dollar index here in the days ahead. Okay. And also on the Forex side, if we look at the British pound and the Swiss franc pair, this one, after having a sharp decline earlier in the year, has kind of gone silent, gone quiet, and recently we've been gaining momentum to the upside here. And now this past week we got a beautiful orderly pullback here. Let me zoom in for you so you can see it a little better. 4 straight days pulling back, and then on Friday we saw this very, very strong bullish engulfing pattern, which is a classic reversal pattern here, right at an area of support here. So, a trade above Friday's high here, and I think we go longer. Now, Friday's high was 1.2822, and if we broaden this out a little, there's lots of room for this to move. So keep an eye on those highs from Friday. If we break through, I think we continue going higher on this pair. Okay, now, one quick note, the elections are going on in France, and there is a possibility, although it doesn't seem likely at this point, but if one of those candidates, Marine Le Pen, does pull out a victory, that could cause a lot of commotion in these markets. So keep an eye on the futures market later on this evening when it reopens, and into tomorrow morning before the official open of the U.S. markets. If there is a surprise, excuse me, and a big response, you'll see it in the futures, and you'll know that we're headed for a gap open. So just glance at those later this evening, and tomorrow morning before they open, they'll give you a good indication as to where we should open tomorrow morning. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.